Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a super budget-friendly find that's been going viral, the AOA Studio Collection Makeup Sponge Set. Is it worth the hype, or just another pass? Let's find out. If you've been hunting for a dupe for the beauty blender without spending $20, stay tuned. This $10 sponge set might just be your new holy grail. This set comes with insert number latex-free sponges in different shapes, perfect for foundation, concealer, baking, contouring, you name it. AOA Studio is Shop Miss A's in-house brand, and it's known for delivering high-quality beauty tools at crazy affordable prices. Let's put them to the test. I'm starting with my foundation using the teardrop sponge. It's soft, bouncy, and blends products super smoothly. No streaks, no harsh lines. The flat edge one is perfect for baking under the eyes and cleaning up contour. I also tried one damp vs. dry, and trust me, damp gives you that airbrush finish. For under $10, the AOA Studio Sponge Set is honestly a steal. If you're on a budget or just love trying new tools, this set is so worth it. I'll definitely be keeping a few of these in my everyday makeup kit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've tried these or have another sponge you swear by. Links are in the description if you want to grab the set for yourself. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.